So what's the reward for hitting target last year? Typically, a higher target this year. It's a commonplace problem. You get punished for doing something brilliant. The highest performers, what they do is they know how to take control of that predictable revenue growth. They do that by breaking down their targets into 4 core areas. Because there are 4 core areas, levers, that are going to affect your performance. You can start to simulate. If you pulled this lever and increased the number of opportunities by just 2%, and increase the average order value by 4%, but then decrease the speed of sale by just 2 days, what you start seeing is that the number at the end starts to dramatically increase in terms of the velocity of the sale. So having this equation, this sales velocity equation in your toolkit is absolutely crucial, because it turns from uneasy about committing to a target to I'm in full control here, I know how to get there and I know what levers to pull.